Hey guys, today's video is going to be a fun one. Don't mind my appearance. I'm very tired. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to let you guys know I am offering memberships on my channel if you want to join. I'll be doing my first members only live stream next week. It's going to be so much fun. There's going to be other perks as well. If you want more info, I'll have a link down below. It's only $2.99 a month to join. Okay, so on to the video. I asked you guys on Instagram what you guys thought the most annoying thing that sellers on Poshmark do and buyers on Poshmark do. I'm gonna go over the results with you guys right now. So first I'm gonna talk about annoying things that buyers do. And I'll add mine at the end too. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys shout outs too. If you guys have Poshmark closets, I will link them down below. Bella Ray Thrifts says serial liking and adding tons to their bundle only to not buy. Oh, so annoying. Oh my gosh. Blondie Posher 28 says lowballing when it comes to offers. I'm actually going to talk about lowballing in a second here. Or actually when we get to the sellers, annoying things that sellers do, we're going to talk about lowballing. Alexa C. Turner says make an offer and then ghost. That happens to me almost every day. It is so obnoxious. Ooh, along the same lines, Poshmark _ Aaliyah15 says make a large bundle then ghost. Hannah's Posh Closet 12 has 2. What's the lowest you'll go after I just sent them an offer? And then she says, why would you make me an offer? It's prohibited in the rules and guidelines of Poshmark. Why would you make me an offer? Does she mean like the buyer asking the seller to make them an offer? Is that what she means? I'm confused. Nay Lip J says you have a $500 prom dress selling for $150 and they offer you $25. Ginger 5064 says declining an offer or not counter offering. Why are you here then? Seriously, why don't you just counter offer? Why? Yes, it is annoying when somebody like continually lowballs you, but just counter offer. Like, why decline and totally miss out on the sale? I don't understand. Shanaea's _ hanger says ask a million questions about something and then just ghost you. Posh Hanger 32 said pretty much the same thing. Ask a million and one questions, try to haggle the price, then ghost. Second Threads Thrifter says ask you questions, more photos when the answer is in the photos or description. Oh my gosh, yes. When they ask you a question that is clearly stated in the description, like, can you not read? Bella 1967 says comment on one of my listings is listed on insert different app name here. Yeah, when they try to take it off Poshmark. DLJ Frampa says like something unless you're interested in buying it. Oh man, we got the serial likers. Like, they're not interested in buying it. They just want to like it to like it. They just want to be nice. No, you want to be nice? Buy my shit. Emily Dawn Hutt says ask 9 million questions about an item, then ignore the offer you've sent them after. Oh, this one is so annoying. Midwest Jewels, I totally agree. I usually wear size XYZ. Will this fit me? K Halsey sells when they don't use the offer button and want to discuss the price in the comments. No. We don't discuss prices in the comments. No. Because then other people can see how low you're willing to go and then they can try to like haggle you and no, we don't do that. No. Amy M. Love says, I hate it when someone adds a ton of things to their bundle, you make them an offer, and then silence. The Velvet Hanger says, asks questions that are already in the description. Sadie Renee says, likes your items with no intention of buying. Oh, Lemon Hound 2017 says, people who cancel their order and say they need to change their address, then they just ghost you. That's never happened to me before. That would be really friggin' annoying. Casey Zadakis 13 add things to a bundle when they have no interest in buying them and liking various items. Scorpio's Plat 38 ask questions that are in the description. Oh, the Sorted Closet. I like this one. Never accept the purchase or give a rating. I want my money now. Yes. But you know, kind of on the flip side, some people might not know that they have to accept the item and rate you. It might be their first purchase on Poshmark, and then they might not know, but still, it's annoying. I agree. Let's see. Oh, Alexa Noriega 6. Can you model it? Oh, no, I can't. Somebody asked me if I could model a pair of shorts that are like way too big for me. I'm like, I can, but it's gonna look ridiculous because they don't fit me. Not everyone on Poshmark knows that there's such thing as resellers. You know, people come on Poshmark and they think that you're just selling stuff from your own closet and the stuff fits you. You know, obviously that's not the case for like the majority of Poshmark, I would say. Now let's talk about some annoying things that sellers do. Let's talk about lowballing first of all, okay? So I really hate it when sellers complain about people lowballing them and they're like, oh my gosh, you know, I listed an item for, I don't know, $20 and they sent me an offer for $1. It's like, no, they didn't. They didn't do that. You're lying. They didn't do that. Or when sellers complain about Poshmark not having a minimum offer, they do. There is a minimum offer. As a buyer on Poshmark, you cannot offer somebody more than 80% less than the asking price. You can't do it. It won't let you. It'll prompt you to ask at least 80% less. You can't ask like 81%. 82%. You can't do it. So if there's a Poshmark seller out there that complains about lowball offers, do the math and then you can tell whether or not they're lying. Just had to throw that out there. I saw Kimmy, I'll link her channel down below. I saw her talk about that in her recent video, and that was a topic that I was actually gonna go over in a Q&A video too. But yeah, I had to bring it up in this video because it's annoying because they're lying. Like, no, I don't know why they'd lie about that. Like, completely make something up to bitch about. Like, why would you do that? I don't know. But anyway, now here are your responses of annoying things that sellers do. Shelby Lene, please go check out my page, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube. Wait, is that something you think that's annoying, or are you asking me to do that? Blondie Pasha 28 says, when sellers tell you to check out their closet and they continue to ask you. Yes, that's annoying. Like self-promotion, which Bella Ray Thrift says, self-promoting under your listings. Too many info posts and listing as the wrong brand. Oh, yes. Oh, woo, see, mom's getting heated. I'm kicking the camera. Yeah, I think it's annoying when you go to somebody's closet and they have like so many posts with like words and stuff. Like, oh my gosh, I went to somebody's closet the other day and there were literally like 10 of those like just word posts like with graphics. One said like, oh, I'm having a sale, and the other one said, oh, like this listing, you know, if you want to be notified when I have sale. Another one talked about like lowball offers. Another one said, this is the type of things that I sell in my closet. It's like, that's too much. I don't think buyers will take the time and read all of those. Like, you wasted your time. Anyway, listing things as the wrong brand, that's super annoying too. Like, I've seen people list like cheap ass leggings as like Lululemon, because obviously Lululemon is a very searched brand. Which, by the way, can I just say that the Lululemon Align shorts are the most comfortable shorts ever, and they're gonna be my shorts of the summertime. Oh my gosh, I bought 2 pairs the other day and they are so friggin' comfortable. Alexa C. Turner says, don't respond to offers at all when they're online. Ooh, that's annoying. Because you can see when somebody was last active, and I've had that happen to me, where it says like the person is active now and you send them an offer and it's like, they just ignore you. Hannah's Posh Closet 12 says, comment on my listings advertising the sale they're having in their own closet. So annoying and just so tacky and rude. Like, no, don't do that. Naylip J says, takes forever to reply. That's not cool. Ooh, Vogue Viv says, not mention flaws or lie about having them. That's just messed up. Like, you're just a shady ass person if you do that. That's not cool at all. Posh Hanger 32 says, you buy an expensive item and they just throw it in the box. No protection whatsoever. I totally agree. I have purchased a lot of, not even with expensive items, like, you gotta protect shit, you know? I purchased a lot of bundles on here lately and it's crazy. People literally just throw things in a box and just, that's it. You know, like, I get it, not everyone has like packing supplies, but at least put it in like maybe a shopping bag or something, or like tissue paper or something. Show that you care somewhat, you know, like, okay. Bella 1967 says, styling, I thought it said selling random people. I'm like, eh? Styling random people. I didn't like anything in their closet. Don't create a bundle for me. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, especially when they style you in like the completely wrong size or it's not your style at all. Yeah. DJ Alframpa says, get offended by offers. I would agree with that now. If this was like a year ago, I would be like, oh my God, no, I'm so offended by lowball offers. But Now, not so much. People want to get a deal and I can't blame them. I can just keep countering back. That's my little mantra now on offers. Tracy09 says, price something ridiculously high when it didn't cost that much to begin with. Okay, so I think that definitely depends on the item. If it's something that's like rare or out of stock, then yes, absolutely price it higher than what it originally costs. But if it's like a common everyday thing that you can go get, like for instance, I purchased a pair of, they're not Air Force Ones, they're called, what the heck are they called? I'm gonna have to Google it while editing this video and I'll put it on the screen. But I saw them on Poshmark for like $85. And then I went on the Nike website and they were $39. And I'm like, Midwest Jewel says, have posts in their closet complaining about lowball offers and threatening to block them. Yeah, for every item, there is a minimum offer that you have to give. The lowest that it can be is 80% off the listed price. So just take that little nugget of info. Because again, next time you see someone complaining about lowball offers, do the math and then you can decide whether or not they're shady and lying about it, basically. Okay, Kay Halsey Sells says, bundle random stuff and send you offer after offer when you've never even been to their closet. Sadie Renee says, don't disclose flaws. Again, that's just shady. Like, you don't want to buy from that person. Casey Zadakis 13 says, styled me when I showed no interest in their closet, didn't even like anything. And then let's do one more. The Sorted Closet says, one photo with minimal description on listings. Okay, so I'm guilty of that sometimes. Not with the one photo. I do take multiple photos, but sometimes I'm just like, you know, what can I really say about this? I'm trying to think of like an example. I don't know, I can't think of an example, but I am guilty of that sometimes, of just doing like a minimal description. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link everyone's Poshmark closet down below who I mentioned in this video. You should go check them out. A wide variety of sellers, people selling all types of different things, so definitely go check them out. You should comment down below and let me know what you think is annoying on Poshmark, what you think sellers do that's annoying, what you think buyers do that's annoying. We can continue the convo in the comments. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.